Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix unresponsive touch screen on iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Turn on touch accommodation. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on accessibility. On the accessibility page, scroll down, tap on touch. On the touch page, scroll down, tap on touch accommodation. Turn on touch accommodation. Scroll down, select your use initial touch location. Tap on OK. Scroll down, tap swipe gestures. Turn on swipe gestures. Select your standard. Solution number 2. Erase all content and setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap erase all content and setting. Tap on continue to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.